All right, yo. So I just dropped the video of Kawhi signing with the Clippers. Now I'm talking about Paul George teaming up with Kawhi for the Clippers. Now Paul George requested a trade to team up with the Thunder. What happened was, and a lot of people, when I say this, y'all might not like Paul George for this, and I can understand that. I'm a little iffy about him now too. I'm still a fan of him, but when I tell you what happened, you might not fuck with him because it was kind of grimy. So basically, what happened was Kawhi and Paul George, they friends, they chatting that up on the phone. Kawhi like, yo, bro, I need you to join the Clippers, bro. Do whatever you can to get there. Let's team up in LA and let's rock shit. George was like, got you, bro. He went to the Thunder. I want to request a trade to the Clippers. And they got that done. That's what happened. So, yeah, he just basically said, I'm going to join you, Kawhi. Fuck Westbrook. So that's why I'm saying y'all might not bang with him for that, because he basically just left his mans for somebody else. That was kind of grimy. But I'm still a fan of Paul George. That was grimy as shit, but, you know, it is what it is. Maybe Westbrook, I don't know. I don't know him with Westbrook relationship, so I ain't really going to talk about it. But, so that's what happened, man. They teaming up in L.A. right now. Kawhi did sign to the Clippers. You know, it's going to be Paul George and Kawhi Leonard teaming up in Los Angeles Clippers, taking on the Los Angeles Lakers. Oh my God, bro! I got to check social media. I didn't even check social media, and they gonna definitely team up with play against LeBron James and Anthony Davis. Can't wait for that. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be interesting. Can't wait for next season. And you got KD and Kyrie. There's a lot of good team ups this season that we didn't have last year. I know KD won't be playing because of injury, but Kyrie and D'Angelo Russell, that's a new team up also. I guess you can't really say Al Horford and Joel Embiid because they still got Ben Simmons. But, there's a lot of good team-ups this season. Can't wait for next season. Can't wait to be playing 2K20 either, the game, because this is going to be tough. I don't know what team to play with no more. Like, we don't play with the Lakers, the Clippers, and I don't play with the Sixers, my team. Philly. But I'm going to holler at y'all next one. I'm out. Peace.